everyone, in today's video I will show you how to easily add a logo to a product design in Canva. So first open Canva and select the product template you want to edit. Now you can use anything from this. For example, if I want to upload a logo, so then I'm going to uploads and click on upload files. Now this will open my file explorer, going to screenshot and selecting the logo and click on open. Now this will upload my logo into the product template. Now I just have to drag it and drop it. Now we can resize it according to the size we want and place it wherever we want. So I'm putting it at the top right side of the template and drag it and move it. If you want to change the color of the logo, you can just click on the colors and you can change it. You can also adjust the transparency of the logo. So I'm keeping it on 74, and that's it. Your logo is fitted, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching.